Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on, team? I hope you all having a good time. It's Raphael back again. I know it's been a long time. I know. I just need to relax, sometimes. I mean, the year was crazy, man. I've worked a lot this year, and I had to take a couple of days off the charts. I know some of you are waiting for around 2 or 3 weeks for an answer in the chat. Don't worry, I will answer your chat as soon as I find time, because at the moment, the last 2 weeks, of course, it was Christmas. Now today is New Year, and yeah, I'm gonna celebrate. The year was very awesome. I learned a lot as a coach. Made some good money as a trader, and yeah, we've grown a big community, and yeah, it was amazing. We had so awesome results, so many traders in the group that are making very good money, and yeah, it's been such a blessing, and I'm very happy about the year, and I'm gonna celebrate this tonight, and I hope you guys are gonna celebrate as well. I hope you're all healthy. I hope your loved ones are healthy, and I hope you're all having a good time. Yeah, what I want to talk about is the FTMO challenge that I did, that I started, I think, November 23 or something like that. Let me show you the results very quick. I got my phone over here. Well, this is the curve, the equity curve. And you know what happened to me? Well, I was like $400. I was around $400 away from winning the challenge. And then I was really good loaded up on gold and GBP USD, and then the market turned around like crazy, and I was going out at break even, and then I was so mad because on trading day 7, I was really just about to finish the challenge, and then the market turned around like crazy, and I went out break even. So yeah, I was in profit with around 4,000 and something, like $4,000 and something. I was so close to finish the challenge, and then after that, my emotions took over a little bit, and I was risking too much at the days after. You see this big drawdown. You see this big drawdown over here, where I lost all the profits and was going down to minus 7,000, something like that. Well, I was trading like 12 days at the end, and the problem that I had was on one day I was violating the maximum loss per day by $65 because I've not calculated the proper way. And my last trading day that I had, the maximum drawdown was at minus 12,000. So I violated the maximum loss by 2%, which is not that professional. Well, the profit target was smashed like crazy with 21,000. So yeah, my trading style was too aggressive, I mean, it was a challenge. What's good, Luis? How you doing, bro? How you doing, man? Well, I've traded very aggressive. You all know my style. I'm a very aggressive trader when it comes to trading. I want small losses, small wins, big wins. And big wins is most of the time, these are the ones that gonna land, that are going to land into my pocket, Like, as you can see, like, where do we have the trading day summary? As you can see, I've not violated the daily loss when it comes to closing, but the open drawdown, the open positions have slapped me in the face. And then at the end, gold was pretty crazy. It was like 28,000 on one day, and yeah, this was just crazy. So overall, I'm going to make the challenge on FTMO to get funded again, just for fun. I'm going to make it again, and this time I'm going to use a different risk management approach. I'm not going to stretch the 5K per day, I'm going to focus on trading with like 0.5% risk to 1% risk per trade, and not going to 2% or something that's somewhere near 2%, because if you risk 2%, you make like 2 trades a day, you lose 2 trades on 2%. It's fucked up, you know. You only have like 10% that you can go into drawdown. So it's better to start slowly, take your time. You have 30 days, like 0.5% to 1% risk is cool. If you load it up on the way, I'm sure 0.5% is enough to finish the challenge in 30 days. You can do it if you load it up the proper way. But yeah, I'm going to take the next couple of days to work on the course, to work on the risk management section. I'm going to add another way to manage the risk, which is going to be a very nice update for all of you guys. I'm sure you're gonna like it, and it will benefit you for your trading life, like for the rest of your trading life. It's going to be very cool, and it will blow your mind, I'm sure. Plus, I think I'm going to add like 1 or 2 entry and exit strategies, trade management systems to the course. As soon as I've finished the testing, I'm going to add to the course. I'm going to add it to the course as soon as I know that it works perfectly with the new trade management, risk management plan that I'm going to add to the course. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do now. The next couple of days, I'm going to update you guys. And yeah, after it's updated, maybe the price is going to change. Let's see. But yeah, let me show you what's going on in the house. Well, I had birthday this month, and some friends have made me this present. And yeah, this is regular stuff, like the billiard table. I'm sure we're gonna use it today. There are some friends playing darts right now, and one of my best friends have made me this present, like table tennis. I was playing table tennis when I was younger with one of my best friends, and yeah, now I got it. Now I got some in my house, you know. Now I got some in my house, and yeah, this is the office. I'm sure some of you already know. And this is where I'm going to sit, in the middle, beside 2 of my friends. We're gonna trade there, update the course, help you guys out. And yeah, this is where I'm making music. I'm sure I'm going to update you guys about my music progress as well, because I already have like 7 tracks or something like that. And I'm sure I'm going to upload some of them the upcoming year, maybe with a nice music video. Let's see. I'm a little shy, but I'm sure you're gonna like it. It's a little gangster, you know. It's a little gangster boogie, but yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun next year, I'm sure. And we're gonna grow this thing, and we're gonna help a lot of people to make some serious amounts of money. Yeah, guys, I wish you all a happy new year, a happy, prosperous year of abundance, and health and happiness. I wish you all the best, guys. And yeah, thank you for your time, guys. I love you, and see you in the next weeks with the update, guys. Peace out. Stay healthy.